Crafty Studio Vlog 7. It's all about beads and beadwork, you guys. I'm a skilled bead artist. No. This is too pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty red leaves. It's a little red. Is about beads and how to create necklaces, bracelets, all that kind of cool stuff, and what I got for myself, what I bought in the past. Hope you like this video. This is what Crafty Studio Vlog 7. I cannot wait to talk to you about what I'm going to talk about in this video. I hope you have fun watching this video. So I hope you have a great, wonderful day, and give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let's get into the Crafty vlog, you guys. I'll talk to you in the vlog. This Crafty Studio Vlog 7, we're going to talk about beads and jewelry and how wonderful they can be to make and make money off of and have fun making them. So these are some beautiful beads. I love good beadwork, you guys. Beautiful beads that I bought at Walmart back in 1999 or 1998. 98. I mean, come on, these are really old, but they're beautiful, wonderful beads that anyone can use to make their jewelry making pop. So I don't know if they have these beads anymore. I bought 2 packages of each of these. I thought wonderful to have these. So this really look like up close and personal. It's just so pretty. Let's get it close. If I can get it in my hand and show you. So pretty. These are really pretty. I love the color scheme. I bought these back when I was going to be a jewelry maker. And I said, you know, I want to make jewelry. I made bracelets in the past and necklaces. And some lady thought I actually bought it at a store. But I had made it myself. That's how good I was. And I've been slacking on my jewelry making and bead making. I can make beads out of anything. And clay too as well. These are really pretty. I love these. You cannot buy these at Walmart anymore. I bought these back in the day. And I bought 2 packages of each. I thought it'd be fun to have these. This is so pretty, right? I'm trying to pick one up so you can see it up a little closer in my hand. That's what it looks like. Pretty, you guys. And then these are really good cylinder ones right here. They're really pretty. I love the colors. It was so much fun using these in projects. I don't know if I want to use these personally, but these are really beautiful. I thought just show you some stash that I have beads, and beads are everywhere, you guys. You can buy beads anywhere you want. Walmart, Target, Hobby Lobby, Joann Fabrics, Hobby Lobby. You can buy them online. I bought these at Walmart. You can buy beads at Dollar Tree now. They have a really cool section of beads. I bought some there as well. I love beads, you guys. I'm obsessed with beads. My mom has a lot of beads too as well. So I thought I'd just get on here and show you a little portion of my little small business I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing beadwork first. Or making bracelets first and stickers. Those are the first things I want to do for my crafty small business. So I love this. I love beads. I love looking at these beads. They're so pretty. Let's get close and personal, you guys. I hope you enjoy this portion of my vlog. This is Crafty Studio Vlog 7. Lunch break, you guys. Where I'm restructuring my small business in my craft room. In my so-called, this is really good. It's turkey with cheese, you guys. It tastes really good. Provolone cheese. I just grilled it, and I got another pop. I need another pop, y'all, but I got another one. You can use right here. These are ones I got, like, you know, round nose pliers and all that kind of cool stuff. They're kind of rusty. I haven't used them in a long time. And this is all the jewelry I made back in the day. Look at these. These are all earrings, by the way, you guys. So these pretty earrings. I've never used them. I did the kit at Walmart, and they look wonderful. I put them in these little plastic bags. I wasn't going to sell these. These are for me to have. But this is what they look like. And then these are 2 bracelets I made right here. These beads, I got these at Walmart a long time ago. And they're wonderful, aren't they? Let's put it on my arm so I can show you. Yeah. Oops. Let's show you. There, see what they looks like. I made both of these, you guys. These are so pretty. And these are cheap beads. I made these a long time ago. I made a beautiful necklace, kind of like those charm necklaces that's popular for your bags now. I made those And I thought it'd be fun just to show you guys. So what I'm making for my small business: beads and bracelets, necklaces, and all this cool stuff like this. You know, I'm gonna make this. This is like the practice I did a few years back, and I'm gonna get these tarnished. I mean, not tarnished. Get these cleaned up because I've been using them a long time. I have a little bit of rust on these, and I only saw red ones. They have red, black, pink, every color of these. So but I saw red, so I'm gonna get red. I've used these a few times on my stuff, so just to do some cool artwork and beadwork, and I love it so much. So I love these, you guys, right? These are really pretty. I took them out to show you guys. So look at these ones I made too. Love this. So I want to show you these ones I made too. These are really pretty. They were hard at first because I haven't learned this, but it takes forever to learn things. A bead kit I got from Walmart years ago. So you can learn some more, guys. These are really long earrings. I mean, really long, really pretty. These beads are like probably too old. I'm not gonna sell these at all. So I'll just show you I actually can make things. I am a skilled jewelry artist, and I know I can do these things. So not bragging or nothing, but I just love beads. I love creating things. I love arts and crafts, and my craft story is coming up pretty soon, you guys. Out, but there's another one that I made. Cool, right? I'll talk to you guys later in the vlog. Hope you're having a great day. Today is Thursday, the 24th of October. So I just thought I'd get out here and show you some more vlogs and things I'm going to be doing, make my small business pop. And I do know how to make jewelry. So that's one thing I'm going to make. And also I'm learning how to make stickers. So yay! Thanks for watching. Watching another craft studio vlog. Yeah, it's so much fun talking to you about beads and beadwork and how to get your business organized a little bit better. And I have cute little containers I'll show on the video that I have my beads in. And I am a skilled jewelry artist. That's what I'm call myself. Specialize in beadwork. I love beads. I love creating beads. I love all beads and necklaces. So that's one of my things I want to work on for my business, making beads and also making necklaces and bracelets and make stickers. That's what I'm going to make. This is my first two things I'm going to make in my video is stickers and bead products. So like necklaces, it's so cool. I love it so much, you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Look at my glasses, you guys. These are sunglasses I buy below, and I like them so much. So I wore them again in this video, and it's hot as heck outside. It's like, it should be like in the 40s or 50s by now in Iowa, but it's not. So thanks for watching this video. I'll talk to you in another vlog, you guys. I'm a skilled jewelry artist that specializes in beadwork. Look at these beautiful beads, you guys. I'm a craft artist.